All right.
I do not own gloves.
You ready?
Almost. Yeah.
All right. 3, 2, 1. Tetris. Is Doji on?
Yeah, he is going to eat.
So.
Oh, that was trash.
What's up?
I'm just remembering that Foiled Thrice was very mad about me being very high in elo.
About me being very high in elo?
No, me.
Oh, that's funny. Well, Thrice is chill though.
Yeah.
He's good at bears.
Sure.
They still haven't tried to retake my world record though. Making me a little bit sad. I don't think we're ever gonna see a I don't even remember the numbers. 435. To get a 435, it's gonna be like perfect everything. Almost.
Okay. I Brendel at this game. I'm 160 at 52. I almost died.
237 at 52.
You're center rolling those were tied.
Yeah.
But jeez, I have 30 aces.
Dude, why do I center roll so much? Such a weirdo. Some people are just more inclined to center roll than others.
Sure, it's genetic.
Yeah, actually facts.
Unfortunate, bro. Center world genes.
Hello.
Is that Miles?
Yes.
Hi, Miles.
Good
I'm
morning.
Miles.
Hello, coffee.
Miles, you should take a private jet and fly up here for the Michigan meetup.
Tomorrow I'm using it to go back to Arizona.
You can't make a pit stop?
Kind of far out, so I don't know. little bit far, maybe. I mean, yeah, it's possible.
Coffee, I'm 457 at 103.
I'm 400 at 103.
Jeez.
1 moment, please.
And 1 moment, please, at 103.
I double flipped and
Oh, bro.
probably the worst possible place you could put that piece, I think.
I never tried playing a match against myself.
How?
You play a game and then you play a game.
But that seems like not right.
Maybe you test your skills of, you know.
But like, if you early top out or something, then you'll just play
that would
super
be
safe
just-
on the next game, and then you'll know you can just win easily and not be nervous.
But then you have to win again the next game, and the score's a little bit higher.
Hmm?
If you keep on winning, eventually the score's gonna get very high.
Huh?
What do you mean?
No,
Huh?
I do not
he's
catch
just talking
your
about
drift.
playing 2 separate games.
Yeah, I know, but you're winning. You're playing against the game you played last, right?
Oh, wait, true.
Oh,
Just
okay, I
keep
see,
doing
I
that.
see.
That is
So
not
the
what I
winning,
was saying,
use the
but that
winning
is
game
based.
as the next one.
How long
I
can you
see.
win against yourself?
Oh, dude,
I mean,
it's
if
just a different type of PB.
That would be hard. You'd have to like. That would be very hard, actually.
I'm 6.
It
Wait,
would take
no.
it would take days.
Okay, I am 660.
If you, like,
and
tried to
burning
game
into
it.
22.
661 into 22. What the heck? I'm not burning this, so I'll probably have a little bit.
Yeah. Alright, 700 at 176.
I gotta focus. 774. I shouldn't have said anything. 778 into 24.
I'm 730 into 24.
Guys playing a match?
Yeah.
797 into 25.
815.
Yeah.
25.
$866 at 205.
882 into 25.
26 into
26, I mean.
Yeah.
948 into 27 from him.
932.
Oof. Yeah, for cheese RNG. Just gonna go for it, bro. It's time.
Yes!
To 28.
Yes! Let's go. See, rolling max isn't
Plus
that hard.
857 at 227.
Oops.
Oh, 873.
I didn't get the last time.
GG.
That's freaking double flip, though. Dang.
Let's go,
Dude,
dude.
match
thought,
is the
I
move.
thought that was fine if you had just burned it away.
Wait, what?
'Cause you had another burn.
I just choked on chocolate milk.
Let's go.
Nice.